Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking here. This is not a camping video. This is a video of me kind of repairing my table and drawer that go in the back of my 4Runner, which I do camp out of. This was all made as cheaply as possible. Yeah, I'm here finishing the support for this drawer that goes in the back of the 4Runner. Anyway, I'm adding these crossbars to this. This will go inside here. So these crossbars, and then I'll nail that to these boards, and these will be nailed into that. And these crossbars will continue down there, so it'll have a lot more support for it. It'll stay together a lot longer. Here it is completed. I got this at the end so things will not fall out. Got these for support. This one's got a little space there. But yeah, that's gonna be nice. It's very much better. It was just falling apart before. So I can fit a lot of stuff on top. It'll support the weight of, a battery pack if I want it. Yeah. I'll show you when it's installed as well. Okay, obviously the handle broke again from my this drawer. I've made 2 handles, like a little wall here with the handle on it, and it always comes off right there. It always breaks off every time. So I gotta figure out something else to do there. And also, at the end, right now I got everything, it's a mess. But, yeah, at the other side of this drawer, it's a 4-foot drawer, goes 4 foot, and, it gets tighter. So I'm having trouble getting this out. It gets stuck inside there. So what I'm doing is, I'll show you in a minute here, but I'm shaving basically at the other side of this piece of wood. On the other side there, I'm rubbing off wood down to make it skinnier so it won't get so stuck. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it back in, see how it works. Okay, and slide it on in, and it stops. So it's right there. Yeah, I don't know what to do, gosh. It just stops there. Okay, so I guess we're finishing this video while camping. Actually, no, we're not. I still have another thing. What I do have left to do is put these, I'm going to make drawers within here, and put one here and I put one back here. And let those go by. But I forgot to record it. But I put a handle in. So this drawer is working now. And as you can see, something weird happened here. For some reason this screw would not go in any further. And, you know, it was making the high-pitched sound. Anymore, it could really destroy this and I won't be able to use it, but I might try a different screw on this. I don't know why that one stopped there. I might try to redo that, or for now it's good, I guess. It's working anyway. But yeah. So I guess this video will not finish until I have these drawers put in there. Within the drawer, the section. 2 dividers is what I'll have. But I need to buy some screws for that, I believe. I don't think I have any of those at home. But anyway. You got these foam blockers, these foam walls. It's like a cardboard with foam inside it. Double-sided. Also have them down here. So, got the space in between here. That's it.